Do you like the new angle? I rearranged my office and I'm kind of loving it. I think the lighting is better too because now it's like over here instead of like in my face. I think it's better. Hey friends, it's me, the Ebony Otaku, the well-rounded nerd. So this is kind of funny. And all of us Transformers purists, I'm gonna need you to clutch your pearls right now. There is going to be some pearl clutching today. So for this past Christmas, is in Christmas of 2024, if you happen to watch this far in the future, my husband knew that I wanted a Soundwave, and he did get me Soundwave, and I've already done a video on that, done, dusted in the past. He had ordered a different one before, because I sent him a link to the one that I wanted, and then it turned out that the manufacturer or the shipper, the whoever, someone had put a picture of a real Soundwave, the version I wanted, and then they shipped us what I'm pretty sure is a knockoff. And my husband ended up disputing it, like, hey, this needs to go back because this is not what we ordered. It's a knockoff. They never sent us a return shipping label. So now it's just our property. We were able to get the one that I wanted. And actually, it was refunded to us. We have waited to get a return shipping label for like 6 months. Yeah, wow. 6 months. Yeah, they never sent one. So we asked one more time, and then we were told, it's yours. Enjoy. I think what it is whoever made this happen does not want to be outed as selling knockoffs. So I will not say who it came from, because I'm pretty sure there's more than one vendor out there selling this thing. But let let's look at a knockoff Soundwave, shall we? We must unbox. So it's been open. I've seen it, but I've not opened the actual box. So, no. Big box on the ground. Oh, this is funny. Okay, so again, when looking online for this is not what this box said. It said it was Soundwave. Do you see the problem? I'll wait. I'll make it closer. This says THF Sonic Wave with Laser Bird. So the seller of this used a legit image. This is not what the box said online. They must have, done some photo magic, or they had a legit box, because when we got this and I opened it up, yeah. And then also, nowhere on this box is there a logo of Hasbro or any of the other manufacturers that we know are legit for the Transformers. The maker is on the back of this box. I think I showed them on the front. I don't know who these people are, but if you know of them, comment down below. We got almost duped. We are very fortunate that money was given back, so technically this was free. But I think the distributor didn't want to be bothered admitting what they did, so they just gave us our money back and we're like, go away. So yeah, let's open up this dupe and see if it was duplicitous. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this because it's not the real thing. It doesn't look bad, not going to lie. Okay, so got the nerve. That's the thing about art. Art is only trademark or copyrightable. That's not a word. To a certain point. And it depends on countries of manufacturer and like trade laws on how far you can go with stuff. Like there are countries on this earth that do not acknowledge copyright or trademark. Like they just don't. So people will go to I'm not going to tell you which ones, but they'll go to those countries with empty hard drives, get all the software they wanted that cost thousands of dollars elsewhere, and then fly home. Because that flight in a week hotel was cheaper than buying the software legit. Like that's how a lot of bit torrenting back in the day used to happen, was those files were being uploaded from servers in countries that have very flexible copyright laws. Again, not going to say which ones. No shade to anybody. If you know what a torrent is, you're my people. But when it comes to art, reproduction to an extent is allowed. Like whenever you see, people who do commentary and they have the videos up and all that kind of stuff, if you're adding something new, um, parody, that type of thing, that's why we have lawyers to understand what all those laws mean. But just straight up duplicating something and advertising it as the original, that I don't believe in any form is allowed. But this probably came from a place. I'm gonna look at the shipping label real quick. Where'd this come from? Oh, this does not come from where you think it came from. Mm-hmm. This actually originated in the United States. You gonna be in trouble. No, I'm joking. I have no authority. She's not a lawyer. She was just making a joke. Okay, don't come for me. But I have it now, so I don't know what the rules are with TFH Sonic Wave. I think it's different enough, and they called it something different. Like when you were a kid and you'd go to one of the dollar stores, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar, and the rest, and there would be versions of a Barbie that weren't a Barbie. I think this falls into that category, because you can. If you're not using the actual likeness like to a T, I think that's how you fudge it. Um, I am a rule follower. I don't break rules. That's why I quit doing videos that had other videos in them, because I could not figure out how to make the algorithm not slap me for it. And I was like, I'd rather keep my channel up and running than get a copyright strike because I wanted to do a commentary video on anime. And I really wanted to make anime commentary a part of my channel, but people like visuals with anime. And I don't know how I can get that done in a reasonable way. If I ever figure it out, I'll bring it back. But until then, no. So, he feels different. He doesn't feel like the rest of my Transformers. And he's dusty. How is he in the box dusty? It feels, listen, that's not, Transformers don't jingle. Not my Hasbro. They do not jingle. Not my Yellow Park. They don't jingle. Okay. Wow. So I actually do have the real Soundwave with Laserbeak and Ravage and Rumble as cassette tapes. They eject. He's back there, living his best life. I put him back in the box until I have more display space in the next room. These house projects are coming along. By the time this video goes out, I probably will have the game room done, and you would have seen it. So apparently, this will transform. I'm looking at the Sonic Wave. Man, y'all ain't right. How they're taped to the inside of the box. I'm trying to get them out without making a mess. Oh, and there's something else here. Oh, these are the pieces for like Rumble. So who is this cassette tape? There was a blue one. Ravage, the Rumble is like the bluey purple one with the arms. I know there was a red one, but there are 7 cassette tapes. Was there another Laserbeaky? You know what? It's a knockoff. Doesn't matter. Okay, how do I extricate this without making it stupid? Can't. Okay. So, Laser Bird, Circular Saw, Robot Dog, Magic Bat, Confusion Rumbling. These are what they've named all of these things. OMG. You have got to be kidding. With beautiful accessories. Making the recorder on the back of a more complete form can be demolished. Look at me. Look. I don't even know what to say. Why? I mean, I'm glad we got our money back. I don't even know what to do with this. Like, do I give it to some kid who doesn't have toys? But then I feel bad because I'm giving them a knockoff. But will they care? I don't know. That is actually what I might do with this. Is should this be a giveaway? Comment down below. I'm actually going to put his butt back in the box with all of his accessories. Because even though he ain't real, he's probably still. Sometimes dupes in the collector community can be just as a big deal as the real thing, especially if it's a decent dupe. I'm not going to guarantee he's going to be a giveaway. I legit might give this to a kid with no toys. I have no problem giving stuff away. It does not bother me. Y'all get me to the right amount of subscribers, she's going to start giving stuff away. Like, she has no problem doing it. The channel is now monetized. Do your part. Like, comment, subscribe, share. But this is interesting. It's hard to even know how to talk about something like this because I am no legal expert when it comes to these things at all. But I do know a problem when I see one. And this a whole problem. And again, we did not go out to intentionally purchase an incorrect. Oh my God, they have a box for the box in the box. So the box for all the little cassette tapes was in the box. I just noticed this. It was on my lap. Collect them. The tape core. Yeah, that's what they call them. The tape core. Yeah. Look. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. You know, especially if I give it to a kid. It's ages 3+, but it's got chokeable things here. I would say it's really an 8+ toy. I'm going to have to think as to what to do with this thing. Because if I give it away, my concern is that somebody will do what the internet does. And we'll leave it at that. And my husband, when I was making this video, he didn't want me to say, you know, that we ended up getting it for free. But I also don't lie. And honestly, it's not even that we didn't try to get it for free. We did not. He made every effort to return this. And who knows, now that I put this out on the internet, the manufacturer may want it back. So I'm going to put it back in its box. It was kind of fun to go through. I've got everything original. I'm going to see what this video does and then decide what to do with this thing. Because it is not in any way, shape, or form a valuable figure to me. I don't know if it would be a valuable figure to thee, but y'all, look, we got enough problems out there. We got 99 problems, but a knockoff should not be one. Okay? Don't be out there creating problems for the rest of us, because that's when the original creators of stuff we love start tightening things up to a point that it makes collecting not fun. I know everybody's out there trying to get a coin. Look, I respect it. Get your coins, but get your coins legitimately. Please get your coins legit, so we don't have to worry about stuff like this. I have some thinking to do. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.